The 2009 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.